Before we go, let's have a look at the question of the day. Today it comes from Vivian in Vermont, and Vivian writes in, what are the chances of getting your property back if you happen to leave it behind on any form of public transportation in China? Well, I can't speak specifically about buses, but I can speak about taxis. I've left behind a couple of mobile phones in taxis, and they were just simply long gone, even after a phone call to the taxi company by my friends. There are, I'm sure, lost and found procedures, though, here in place in China.
There are. It depends very much on where you are. If you're in a huge city like Beijing or Shanghai or Guangzhou, I think you can more or less wave goodbye to it. I mean, there does exist a lost property on the metro system in Beijing and in Shanghai, but how much is actually handed in, especially when you consider sort of some people's needs here. There are a lot of people for whom a mobile phone could be a huge amount of money, so it's a little bit difficult to compare to the situation perhaps in some other countries. But systems vary towards different cities, different countries, and I think perhaps in small towns and villages here, a lot more chance where people, as always, tend to be more friendly.
Sure, and there are good Samaritans out there. Again, I've lost a wallet once in a restaurant, and one of the staff members promptly returned it to me, no questions asked, and no reward expected or anything like that. So again, probably like any other country, Vivian, it is just a question of luck and who happens to find your property.
The right person. And each day we answer your questions about life here in China, and you can email us those questions at news@bonlive.com.
That is all for now from the team here at BON News.